Hi, this is a tutorial for the Majors Students Enrolled reporting tool in Argos. The Majors report allows you to obtain a list of students who have declared a particular major. This may be helpful to develop a database to follow students as they move through a program. You may also be able to use this report along with assessment data to determine how individual students are mastering program learning outcomes. The Majors Students Enrolled tool is located in the Academics folder and then in the Program Coordinators subfolder. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard. You can search by term and then by major. As you select the major, the results will auto-populate in the box on the right. As with many Argos reports, you can use Control or Shift clicking to select more than one option in the majors selection box. For this tutorial, we will look at the 2018-2019 academic year. Using Shift-click, we will select all four CIT majors: Cyber Defense, Networking, Programming, and Systems Administration Management. The list of the CIT majors is published in the box on the right. As with any Argos web viewer dashboard, you can click on the gear in the lower right corner to download a CSV file that can be used in Excel or any other database application. You can then send that list of students to institutional research to obtain more information, directory information, or GPA. This is a quick tool to obtain a list of majors. The more we know about who is in our programs, the more we can do to support them to start strong, stay strong, and finish strong. I hope you find this useful.